Okay, now in my pattern it says row 1, I knit to the last 3 stitches, slip each stitch purlwise from left to right needle, move the working yarn from the back of your work, knit position to the front of your work before you slip the 3 stitches. We call this slipping purlwise with yarn in front. This creates the Icord edge. So I will demonstrate that for you. Okay, I am at the last 3 stitches in my row, and you can use it's a good idea to use a stitch marker at this point. So I have placed my stitch marker when I started the project 3 stitches in from the end, and so I've been knitting up to the end of the row, so now I've got my stitch marker there, and I just basically take it off and put it on the right hand needle so it's there for when I go back the other way. And we slip the 3 stitches purlwise, which means we bring the working yarn on our right hand round to the front of our work. So this is called slipping purlwise with yarn in front. If it was yarn in back, we would leave it there. So that's the back of our work, this is the front of our work. And slipping purlwise means we take the right hand needle and put it up through the front of the stitch, which is the purl position, and slip it off. So we do that to the next one, up through the stitch, slip it off, up through the stitch, slip it off, no stitches left. So we turn our work around. So this is what we do when we're on straight needles also. Obviously, when we get to the end of a row, we just turn our work over and we work all the way back. And so we have slipped those 3 stitches. Our yarn is at the back there, which is the correct position for starting off. And we just simply knit as per usual. We're knitting each row. I've come up to my stitch marker again. I'm just going to slip that from my left needle to my right needle and carry on. And what that slipping of the last 3 stitches does is create this really cool Icord edge, which gives you a really nice finish, plus it's a nifty way of hiding all these colour change ends that we've got with our stripe work. And so next I'll show you how we weave those ends in.